Divorce support therapy. Options: finding help and healing post-divorce. Explore effective divorce support therapy options, counseling, and resources to help you heal and rebuild your life after divorce. Finding support. After divorce, exploring therapy options. Hey, I wanted to chat with you today about something a lot of people face, but don't always know how to handle: the whole process of getting through a divorce. It's rough, right? Beyond the legal stuff and the paperwork, there's the emotional roller coaster, the feeling of loss, confusion, and sometimes just plain loneliness. The good news is that there are a number of divorce support options that can really help people navigate those tough waters. So, if you or someone you know is going through a breakup or divorce, let me tell you about some of the avenues for divorce counseling and other resources that can make the journey a little less painful. It's not just about hiring a lawyer and splitting assets. There's a whole emotional component, and finding the right kind of help is crucial. Therapy options for divorce support. First up, individual therapy can be a game changer. A licensed therapist who specializes in relationship transitions can help you process feelings of grief, anxiety, or anger, and work with you on building resilience. This kind of divorce assistance isn't just about getting over it. It's about genuinely healing and learning how to live fully again. For many, group therapy or divorce support groups offer something even more powerful: a community. Being able to sit with others who are walking a similar path reminds you that you're not alone in this. Sharing experiences, offering support, and hearing different perspectives can foster hope and strength to move forward. Another helpful option is couples therapy, but with a twist. Sometimes, even if the marriage is ending, having a few sessions with a professional to sort out communication or co-parenting strategies can greatly reduce tension. This can make life post-divorce easier, especially if kids are involved. Where to find reliable divorce resources? It can be overwhelming sorting through all kinds of advice online or in books about divorce help. One resource I really recommend is the book Brokenness and New Beginnings. It's not just another self-help book. It's written with the honest perspective of someone who has been through the storm and come out stronger. The insights in it guide readers toward healing and hope. Whether you're looking for specific divorce advice, coping techniques, or ways to rebuild trust in yourself and others, books like this provide a gentle, encouraging voice, and it's backed by years of experience and a deep understanding of what it takes to find joy after loss. Additional divorce help you might consider. Mediation services. If you want to avoid a contentious battle in court, mediators can negotiate agreements in a balanced and respectful environment. Online therapy platforms. For those who want flexibility, many licensed counselors offer virtual sessions focused on divorce recovery. Financial counseling. A divorce often brings financial uncertainty. Specialists can help map out budgets and plan for financial stability. Parenting classes. Learning how to co-parent effectively. Post-divorce can ease tension and create a healthier environment for kids. Remember, healing is a journey, and it's totally okay to ask for help along the way. Whether you need professional divorce counseling or the support of peers, these options exist specifically to guide you through the brokenness and on to new beginnings. If you're ready to take that step towards hope and healing, order your copy of Brokenness and New Beginnings today. It's packed with thoughtful insights, practical advice, and encouragement to help you move from a painful chapter to something new and promising. Taking care of yourself emotionally is just as important as the legal side of things, so don't hesitate to explore these resources and find the kind of support that feels right for you. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about surviving divorce, it's about thriving in the life that comes after.